Science Mustangs. I just wanted to touch base with you briefly this morning to make sure that everyone knew how to identify your special program students so that you can kind of create your own list and that way not be missing any paperwork from anyone. In light of all the schedule changes that are happening and any other things, we want to make sure that we're covered and not missing anything. So I wanted to make sure you knew how to do that. All right, to go in, you want to go to your K-12 LMS, okay? Once in your LMS, you are going to go to Students, All Students. Here to keep this FERPA friendly, I have cut off the student names, but you're going to get a list of all your students and you'll see the toggle next to student name. That box, you check that box to select them all. Just a heads up, you can send notes, etc., create Class Connect sessions from here as well. But what we want to do is export because we want these special programs. If you click on these titles also, it'll sort by that special program also. But you want to export to get a list. Export is going to come out looking something like this. There were two other columns here that I deleted just because they weren't information I needed, school and student information. So go ahead and delete those first. And I also, for this purpose, deleted the student's first name, but you don't have to do that in your own personal list. Just if you were ever sending it out for some reason, make sure that you password protect it. And then I sorted it, just a regular sort, you know, selecting everything and then custom sort by the special programs. So what this does is it then allows me to know that I have X number of 504 students that I'm looking for paperwork on. And if I only have two 504 documents and I'm seeing here that I have 24 students, then I need to reach out to someone to ask some different questions. This usually means academically gifted, the ALP statuses. IEP, of course, is an IEP, so you're going to want to look for those as well. ELL and STI. The other common programs that you're going to see, ELL, you're likely familiar with. STI has to do with state testing.